Hello friends, I'm going to show you how to use Google Docs and Google Sheets also. It's actually a very useful tool, like you can just share and at the time many people can operate that. So I will explain. First of all, open your Gmail. This everybody knows. Once you open, you can see here 9 dots, right? Click on this. So there are three things: Drive, Docs, Sheets. So first I will say Docs and Sheets. If you come down, you can see here docs. So click on this docs. Docs is nothing but it's a Word document. But when you go to Word, only you can use. But when it is Google Docs, you can share to many and many can use. Suppose I want mark entry, like maybe 5 teachers want to enter this and they have to use. So what you can do, insert table, you can click something. Then serial number, maybe here marks, here date, your topic or a subject, something, whatever also you want, you just enter. Now here 1, 2, 3. So the teacher name also, if you want, you can enter. Suppose if you are feeling no, I cannot type in docs, I can type in Word. That also option is there. Go to file, then open, which already exists in your system. Maybe you can go into upload. Then maybe browse in D drive or C. You can see all the things what and all I have. I can upload from this, then it will come. So suppose I have created this. Now I want everyone to enter. Now what you have to do, you have to click on share. Now it is not shared. So if you want to give name, that is better. So mark list, if you are giving whatever name, then save. Now you can see here the thing is two options are there. One thing is you want to share to everybody, anybody in the world, whomever also can see means you have to remove this restricted anyone with the link. Anybody just if they get this link, they can see. If they want to edit means editor, you can just give on editor. So they can edit also, view also, they can do that. Suppose no, I have some particular people, I want to share only for them. Then you can here click the mail ID. Only for that particular person it will open. To any others it will not open. Here notify people means they will get the mail message also. So I am just clicking anyone with the link and I want to make them to edit also. Here copy link. This link should be shared to them. So once you share this link, they will open. Suppose if they are saying I can't open, I cannot edit means here only the problem. So here only have to chip down. Now, whenever you are typing and you can see theirs also, even they can see theirs. Only one disadvantage is if anyone is deleting, that's a little bit completely. Suppose if somebody is by mistake this table they are deleting, that's all. We cannot retrieve. So this is actually you can use for restricted use also you can use, or but within 5 to 6 people also you can use. But whomever is deleting, whomever is editing also you can see in this. So this is docs. So the next I will go with sheets because docs doesn't have much table. So I want to use same again 9 dots. Now if you little bit come down, you can see the green color sheets. So this is the Google Sheets. So you can go a new one, same like your Excel sheet. Here you need not draw any column. Same like this. Suppose you want to type a timetable, you want to share, they can edit or something. Only this process is many people can access at the same time. 3, 4 like this you can. Now I want to share, same thing, share, then keep a name, some name you can keep, then save, then this one, restricted, all the settings, same like docs only. Here the thing is, suppose if you are sharing, if you are deleting means, if the person is having, they can retrieve that. But if you have deleted, you are the owner, you have created, you have deleted, nobody can access this, completely it will be deleted. So before you are deleting, you have to download a copy. Suppose you want to delete, download a copy so that it will not, the data will not lose. But this is very, very useful for teachers, even for some office purpose. It is very, very useful. You can try this. Thank you.